Cyclones. Today we are going to be reviewing for our math test tomorrow. Okay? So this unit has been working on multiplication. So a lot of the test is going to be our multiplication facts. You've been working a lot with fact triangles and the basic facts. Okay? So to start off, write the answer to this problem.
You have to write the problem.
You can just write the answer. 8 times 6. Write the answer and show me on your board. Write the answer and show me on the board. I would like everyone to erase that on their board and draw me a set of parallel lines.
Do we have to make them raise? Or can we use lines?
No, I want lines. Lines. Make sure they're, excuse me, make sure they are lines. And show me your board. Okay. So perfect, and I really like how, everyone look at Ava's board. Make sure you have the arrows on both sides. The arrows mean that the lines, both ends, go on forever and ever.
They never stop.
And what about parallel lines? Do they ever touch? No, they will never touch. Now I want you to erase that, and I want you to erase the line and draw me intersecting lines. Intersecting.
That one's easy. Intersect.
Okay, make sure they're lines, Jacob. Yep. We have to remember the arrows, because on the test, they may ask you for lines, they may ask you for rays. What would a ray, if I wanted to draw a ray, what would a ray look like? Audrey, can you draw it on your board and show us? Maddie, can you erase that? And then you need to pay attention to Audrey. Perfect. So a ray has one definite point, and then one side goes on forever and ever. And that one side. Okay, a line, both of them go on forever and ever, but a ray, just one does. Okay, I would like everyone to erase that and put the cap on their marker.
Got it.
And I am going to be giving you an object. What is this called? Kayla?
Cube.
This is called a cube. This is called a cube. How many, I want you to count, how many faces are on this cube?
Oh, wait, I know.
Trevor, how many faces are on this cube? 6 faces. Can you show me what a face looks like?
It's a flat.
The flat surface, yep. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We go all the way around, and then the ends, 5 and 6. How many edges does this cube have? How many edges? I want everyone to be looking at their shape. Maddie, can you put your marker down and look at your shape? Thank you. Jacob, show me the 8 faces, or 8 edges. Correct. We'll get to that in a second. Edges. How many edges? Ava? 12. Can you show me an edge?
Right here.
Okay, an edge is where the 2 faces meet. This is an edge. Yep, right, yep.
Like
right
the 2 vertices.
there. Okay, and there's 12 of them on this cube.
Right here.
Now, yep, absolutely. Now, Jacob was a little ahead of us. How many vertices are on this cube? And show us what a vertex is. Everyone needs to have eyes on Jacob. Yeah, right there. Where 2 edges meet, make a vertex. It's about faces, edges, or vertices on a cube. Okay, can everyone put their shapes in the middle here? Okay, now we're going to, I also want to review making ballpark estimates. And you guys have worked on this a little bit, but I want to review making ballpark estimates.
Which one was
money
or just
these are just going to be numbers. And let's start with 489 plus 104. Write the problem on your board and tell me what you're going to round each number to make your ballpark estimate.
Is it 408? Ta-da! Yeah, it's
489.
Like this?
Hold on. And when you're done, show me your board. And let's wait until everyone has a chance to do that. And I see a couple people that have different estimates, and that's okay. We'll talk about that.
I just rounded it closer to I rounded it to the closest 100.
Oh, shh. Okay, so, Jordan, can you hold up your board? I want all eyes on Jordan right now. He rounded 489 to what? To 490. And he rounded 104 to what? 100. And then that gave you a ballpark estimate of 590. And that is okay. Now, I want Jacob to hold up your board. And he rounded 489 to what? 500 instead of 490. And then you rounded 104 to 100. And then that gave you a ballpark estimate of 600. And that is perfectly okay. We do not all have to have the same ballpark estimate. If I give you this problem, 4 plus 8 minus 1 equals, and you can write this on your board, what am I going to do first? What am I going to do first? Raise your hand when you know. Caleb, what am I going to do first?
You're going to do the one in parentheses first. Instead of doing 4 times 8, you do 1 minus 1. Plus.
Oh, I guess there's no announcement. Okay. Yes, so Caleb is correct. We are going to do what's in parentheses first. We always do what's in parentheses first. So 8 minus 1 is, Audrey? 7. And then remember, we rewrite our problem to make it easier. So then we have 4 plus 7. And that equals what? What's 4 plus 7? Ava? 11. Any questions about that?
Nope.
Okay, so make sure tonight that you are reviewing, Caleb? And what's that?
When you go down, if you look on the right, there's always 1, 1, 1. And it's always 2, 2,
Yep.
2. 3, 4, 4, 5.
Yeah, we talked about that a while ago. I'm glad that you're still looking for patterns. I like that. Okay, we are going to rotate. Hands and eyes.
Hands and eyes.
That was a fabulous rotation. You guys were very quiet, so I appreciate that.